This is Bailey and Babe at their summer riding camp, day 2 of 5. Okay, and this is Zoe on Caper. Go ahead and walk. Tap him a little harder, get his attention. He's playing. There we go. Put your hands in the right position in front of the horn. Good job. Get your heels down. Very good. Heels down. Good. Okay, give me a circle. Good. Turn up. Look up. More leg. Good. Good. Go ahead, Zoe. Give me a circle. Look up and ahead. Use more leg. Keep him moving. Don't let him play. That's it. Look up. Use the legs. Use the legs. Use the legs. Caper likes to play. There you go. Good job, Zoe. All right. Well done. We have learning to steer. Yay! All right. Good job, girls.